Ever wanted to build a stronger, more defined chest with just a pair of dumbbells? Welcome to the world of chest workout with dumbbells. This approach targets different muscle groups in the chest area, allowing you to build strength and definition. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or just starting your journey, it's important to understand that a robust chest isn't just about aesthetics. It's about enhancing your body's overall functionality and strength. Now, we know that one of the common challenges many face is finding effective at-home chest workouts without specialized equipment. You may think, how can I develop a strong chest workout with dumbbells? But you'd be surprised by what you can achieve with the right exercises and techniques. So if you're ready to transform your chest workouts, stick around. We'll show you how to maximize your strength training using just dumbbells. With the right exercises, a pair of dumbbells is all you need to achieve that stronger chest you've been dreaming of. First on our list is the dumbbell chest press, an excellent exercise to start your chest workout. The dumbbell chest press is a classic move that targets the pectoralis major, the largest muscles in your chest. But here's the thing, it doesn't stop there. It also works your shoulders and triceps, making it a triple threat in your chest workout arsenal. Let's break it down. Start by lying down on a flat bench, holding a dumbbell in each hand at chest level. Your feet should be firmly planted on the ground for stability. The palms of your hands should be facing towards your feet. This is your starting position. As you exhale, push the dumbbells up, straightening your arms without locking the elbows. Now, imagine you're trying to push the ceiling away from you. This is where the work happens. Pause for a moment at the top, really feeling that chest muscle contraction. Inhale as you slowly lower the dumbbells back down to your chest. It's important not to let the weights drop quickly. Control is key here. You should feel a stretch across your chest as you lower the weights. And that's the dumbbell chest press. It's all about controlled, deliberate movements and consistent breathing. Remember to keep that back flat against the bench and never arch your lower back. Remember, quality over quantity. It's better to do fewer reps with good form than more with bad form. Next up, we have Dumbbell Flys, a great exercise to stretch and work your chest muscles. It's one of those moves that doesn't just target one area, but engages multiple muscle groups, giving you a more comprehensive workout. Now let's talk technique. Begin by lying flat on a bench, clutching a dumbbell in each hand. Your feet should be flat on the floor, and your palms should face each other. Extend your arms above your chest, but remember, keep a slight bend in your elbows to protect your joints. This is your starting position. Now, the magic happens. Lower your arms out to the sides in a wide arc until you feel a stretch in your chest. Your arms should be parallel to the floor. It's crucial to maintain control during this movement and not let momentum dictate your motion. Then, return your arms back to the starting position as you squeeze your chest muscles. This is where the slow, controlled movements come in. It's not about how fast you can complete a rep, but how effectively you can engage your muscles throughout the movement. The beauty of Dumbbell Flys lies in its simplicity, yet its effectiveness. It's a move that can challenge beginners and seasoned fitness enthusiasts alike. Remember, the most significant weight you lift is your body, and the greatest strength comes from mastering your movement. Control is key in this exercise. Don't rush through it, make each rep count. Because the journey to a stronger chest begins with a single, well-executed rep. Lastly, we have dumbbell pullovers, an often overlooked but incredibly effective chest exercise. Dumbbell pullovers are known for their ability to target the chest from a unique angle, adding depth and dimension to your workout. Now let's dive into how to properly perform dumbbell pullovers. Start by lying flat on your back on a bench, holding a dumbbell over your chest with both hands. Your arms should be fully extended, but keep a slight bend in your elbows to prevent strain. From this position, slowly lower the dumbbell back over your head until your upper arms are in line with your torso. The key here is to keep your arms fixed in this slightly bent position throughout the exercise. What's crucial in dumbbell pullovers is maintaining a steady rhythm and using the full range of motion. It's not about how heavy the dumbbell is, but how well you can control its movement. As you bring the dumbbell back over your chest, you'll feel your chest muscles contracting. This is where the magic happens. Remember to exhale as you pull the dumbbell back up and inhale as you lower it down. Proper breathing techniques can significantly enhance the effectiveness of this exercise. Pullovers are a fantastic way to round out your chest workout, targeting areas that other exercises might miss. They provide a great finish to an intense session, leaving no muscle unworked. So give dumbbell pullovers a try and feel the difference in your chest workout. So there you have it, a complete chest workout with dumbbells. We've explored a variety of exercises, such as the chest press, flies, and pullovers, each uniquely designed to target different muscle groups within your chest. These exercises, when performed correctly and consistently, can bring about significant improvements in your chest strength and size. The beauty of this workout lies in its simplicity and convenience. No need for fancy gym equipment or expensive memberships. All you need is a pair of dumbbells and the determination to push through each set. This accessibility allows you to maintain a consistent workout routine, which is key to seeing tangible results. Moreover, this workout offers versatility. Whether you're a seasoned fitness enthusiast or a beginner just starting on your fitness journey, these exercises can be adjusted to suit your level of strength and endurance. This adaptability ensures you're always challenging yourself, but not to the point of risking injury. Finally, remember that proper form and mindful breathing techniques are crucial. They not only maximize the effectiveness of each exercise, but also minimize the risk of injury. We encourage you to try out these chest workout with dumbbells exercises. Feel the burn, embrace the challenge, and witness the transformation. Don't forget to share your progress and subscribe for more workout videos. Remember, building a stronger chest is not just about the exercises, but also about consistency and dedication. Happy lifting!